Yes, guys, what's up, man? Today was Canada versus Bosnia, and I'm going to talk about the Canadian World Cup experience. मेरे को बहुत मज़ा आया आज, bro. It was an incredible experience. We woke up, got ready, नीचे कॉफ़ी लेके, then we started walking, and पूरे fans थे यार walking towards the stadium. The Canadian fans, the Bosnia fans. The Bosnia fans were incredible. They came in numbers. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 लोग थे. इकट्ठे चल रहे थे. Even like the police and everything knew that these guys are together, and they were chanting in numbers. उनके flares चल रहे थे. Clapping चल रही थी. बहुत ज़बरदस्त माहौल था. And even the Canadian fans were there too. They were also in shock, man. What is this Bosnia? Proper European scenes. They turned the streets blue. But there was red as well. A lot of colors, very colorful streets. It was an incredible atmosphere, and it was the first time I think Toronto had a FIFA World Cup game, man. So मुझे तो मज़ा आया. I mean, there were mixed reactions. Some people were saying that the tickets are too expensive. Some people are saying that obviously we also didn't go to inside the stadium, but we went and watched in different fan parks. We did like fan park hopping, and the atmosphere is really good. And Canada multicultural society, so you see a lot of people, you meet a lot of people. So overall, बहुत मज़ा आया मेरे को तो. Like it was a great experience. And we talk about the game. I felt Canada played amazing football. The only thing is they weren't clinical enough. From the start, they kept possession. बहुत अच्छी football खेल रहे थे. They were passing it around well. Jonathan David impressed me as well. He was getting to the right areas, but just couldn't get the finishing touches. They were pretty relentless. I think there was one chance it went off the line. That could have been a goal. The Bosnia defender saved it. And then on the counter, वही होता ना कभी-कभी when you're attacking too much and you don't finish your chances, then you can get hit on the counter. That's exactly what happened with the Canada team. Bosnia scored, and they took the lead, and it looked like it was going to be a very difficult time for Canada. It was a frustrating game after that. They still had a lot of chances. They kept going, and finally they got the equalizer. After the equalizer, they could have got the winner as well, but I felt that even Canada were a bit conservative. They could have attacked a bit more over there, but I enjoyed it, man. Overall, a great game of football. Bosnia on the other hand, I think they'll be very happy with the point. लोग भाई वर्ल्ड कप में आए, इटली को निकाले क्वालिफिकेशन से. They just qualified in the last game, and they will be chuffed. They played Canada in their home backyard, and they got a point. Now there's Qatar and Switzerland left. Both these teams, they both have chances to qualify, and this group will be an interesting one because let's see how Switzerland play. I'm expecting Switzerland to do pretty well. They can keep the ball. I think they play some good attacking football. They have a very good defensive line as well. Qatar will find it a bit difficult, but then in terms of conditions, they can do well. The heat, honestly, the heat and stuff wasn't too bad today. It was like 27, 28 degrees. Obviously, when you're playing, you feel a bit harder, but मेरे हिसाब से the weather conditions were fine. It was beautiful, and I think the Qatar team also will be fine in these conditions. Switzerland as well should be all right. But yeah, overall, I think Bosnia will be the happier side, but Canada a lot of positives. I think वही negative ये कि they're not finishing the dinner. They need a striker who can be a bit more clinical. Obviously, the substitute came on and scored, but you need a bit more precision in your finishing. Even the crossing, कभी कभी मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि भाई they're just crossing the ball without any aim. It just needs to be a bit more accurate at times. The final ball, the ball trying to get into the third, into the penalty area of the opposition defense. That's what they were missing. So many times Bosnia cut कर दे रही थी. Like Canada was having a lot of the ball, but then the final cross wasn't really pinpoint. I think there was some very good passing. There was some good crossing as well, and they did cross quite a lot. Also, you need a bit of luck. Like they इतने chances create करे, एक चले गया, कभी-कभी चार चले जाते हैं. इतने chances अगर create करे तो. I was getting the feeling they'll be a bit more defensive, but it was good to see them attack. And let's see what happens. It's pretty entertaining in my opinion. I know some people will say a draw हो गया, boring था ये वो, but I think it was pretty entertaining. So far the World Cup has been pretty good. Mexico, that was one-sided game, but they played some good football. The South Korea game was outstanding अगेंस्ट चेक रिपब्लिक. और ये वाला गेम भी यार मुझे तो मज़ा आया. लास्ट तक पता नहीं चल रहा कौन जीत सकते कौन नहीं जीत सकते. Bosnia had a couple of chances on the break as well. So overall a very good experience. See, the tickets are expensive, but the people are going. So far it's all right. The new referee thing, I like that. Sick, man. वो जो referee cam है बहुत ज़बरदस्त है. उसका एंगल ही अलग दिखा रहा, so you can see where the shot has been taken from. And I like that the new rules, man. So far the new rules have been very good and efficient. कि जल्दी जल्दी निकल जाओ वहाँ से. 10 सेकंड में सब्स्टिट्यूशन करना है. 10-20 सेकंड में आपका इंजरी अगर है तो 1 मिनट बैठना है बाहर. तो लोग अब प्लेयर्स जल्दी बाहर निकल रहे. सो इट्स बीन अ गुड स्टार्ट. खाली 3 गेम्स हुए अभी. USA पैराग्वे का भी मैच है. विल सी व्हाट हैपेंस ओवर देयर. But overall, man, it's been a good vibe here in Toronto. You can see the CN Tower behind me as well, and yeah, very good vibe. We met quite a few people. The Big Six were also there. The football boys from England, they came. They're loving Toronto. They were saying kya vibe hai bhai, khana pina bhi mast hai and stuff. And we'll try to show you more of Toronto. We went to 3-4 different fan festivals. There was one, the Harbourfront, wahan pe pani pe tha screening, and there was a lot of people who were coming and watching. Obviously, good lake view behind you and watching the game, incredible vibe. They were stacked. That was like something where you can go and play different games and stuff. There was Adidas. It was sponsored by Adidas, so there's Adidas shops. And there was one more fest that we went to that was pretty nice too. So overall, a very good experience. And if you're in Toronto, you should come back to downtown and check out the vibes. A lot of people, multicultural. मज़ा आ रहा है भाई यहाँ पे. And so far so good. Let's see what happens in the next few games. Take care, everybody. Make sure you guys are hitting the like button, subscribe button, and stay tuned to Chasing Trophies.